In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook password using your phone. Changing your password regularly is a good way to keep your account secure. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap the menu icon to open the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the option called Password and Security and tap on it. Here you will see different security options related to your account. Tap on Change Password to continue. Now you will be asked to enter your current password first. Type your current password carefully. After that, enter your new password in the next field, then type the new password again to confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong and different from your previous one. Once everything is entered correctly, tap Update Password or Save Changes. Facebook will update your password and your account will now be protected with the new password. You may also be asked to review other devices where your account is logged in. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.